morning. Today I am going to give the summary of Class 12 English poem, that is Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. In this poem, Aunt Jennifer's Tiger, a woman expresses her suppressed feelings through her art. Aunt Jennifer is the victim of the male-dominated society. She has no one to tell her mental and physical pain. She makes a picture of a tiger to convey her deep feelings. The speaker describes the tiger which her aunt produced on the panel. They are set in motion. They are moving quickly by raising the front legs and jumping forward on the back legs. In the green jungle, they look free, bright, brave, fearless, and magnificent. The first stanza opens with Aunt Jennifer's visual tapestry of tigers who are fearless of their environment. Tigers are unafraid of other beings in the jungle. There is a sense of certainty and the confidence in the way these tigers move, as can be seen in the line. They pace in sleek chivalry certainty. The tiger which she is doing is brave, and the Aunt Jennifer is afraid of her husband. Further, the poet says that the tigers are proud and fearless citizens of the forest. They are very shiny and elegant. The lady's fingers are trembling with the fear of her husband. She is pursuing her hobby in her free time, but probably she is still afraid of her husband who could scold her. Her fingers are so tired of working endlessly all her life. The needle is so heavy for her to pull out of the cloth. The words "Uncle's wedding band," as the band was bought by her husband, it is his still today. The lady is dependent on her husband. She is still burdened by the weight of the ring. Weight means the encirclement or trapping that has fallen upon her by getting married to him. She has been burdened by the obligations of married life, has become the man's property. She has been living a demanding life due to which she has worn out in her old age. She has faced so many difficulties in her married life that the little ring is described as a heavy band on her trembling fingers. This means that the ring is associated with some bad experiences in the form of tortures she has faced because of her husband's dominating behavior. Her wish to live a free, fearless life is indicated by her choice of design, that is tiger. It shows her innermost desire of being strong, fearless, which has been overpowered by her husband. These all tortures will end upon her death. Her frightened, shaking fingers will put to rest. But still, even her death, the ring shall remain on her hand. Her husband's rule over her is not yet over. After her death, her desire of freedom and fearlessness shall remain alive in these tigers which she has embroidered. On the other hand, there are the tigers designed by Aunt Jennifer, which will always depict her desire of living a fearless life by jumping proudly and bravely on the piece of cloth. And here is the conclusion of Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. By Aunt Jennifer's Tigers summary, the poet wants to represent the life of a woman who has to live under a constant fear from her husband. Also, she will only get freedom when she will die. A quick recap is here. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.